Hello everyone and welcome back to Billy Profits, your favorite Make Money online channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to an incredible earning opportunity, making up to $4,000 or more monthly simply by promoting OnlyFans creators. Yes, you heard that right. With OnlyFans growing massively in popularity, many creators on the platform are seeking ways to increase their audience and subscribers. This is where you come in as an affiliate or promoter. By helping OnlyFans creators reach new audiences, you can earn a significant income. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 platforms where you can start promoting OnlyFans creators, show you how to get started step by step, and explain how much you can expect to earn from each one. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to dive into this exciting affiliate marketing niche and begin building a steady income stream. This is Billy Profits, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button and feel free to leave a comment that says I am from and mention your country so we'll be able to upload future Make Money online opportunities that are available to your location. So how does promoting OnlyFans creators work and why is it so lucrative? OnlyFans creators earn their income through subscribers who pay monthly to access their exclusive content. Many creators want to focus on making content and connecting with their existing fans, so they hire promoters to help reach new audiences. This is where affiliate programs or individual agreements with creators come in. When you promote a creator's OnlyFans profile through social media, forums, or websites, you bring in potential subscribers. And for every new subscriber who signs up through your link, you earn a percentage or a flat fee. With the right approach, this income can really add up, especially since most subscriptions renew monthly. Let's dive into the 5 platforms that can help you make money promoting OnlyFans creators, plus the steps to succeed on each one. The first platform we'll discuss is Fiverr, a popular freelancing site where you can offer promotional services. To get started on Fiverr, visit fiverr.com and create an account. Once you're logged in, set up a gig offering your services as a promoter for OnlyFans creators. Describe your gig clearly, mentioning that you specialize in bringing in new subscribers to grow OnlyFans profiles. Use keywords like OnlyFans promoter, subscriber growth, and content marketing to help potential clients find you. Many new promoters start by offering gigs at $15 to $30 to attract their first clients. As you gain reviews, you can increase your rates. Experienced promoters on Fiverr often charge between $50 and $200 per gig, depending on their success and social media following. For example, if you charge $50 per gig and complete 10 gigs in a week, that's $500. Add that up over a month, and you're already making $2,000. Plus, Fiverr lets you offer additional services for extra fees, so you can upsell to clients who want even more promotion. Our second platform is Shoutcart, which is perfect if you already have a decent social media following. Shoutcart connects influencers with businesses and creators looking for promotion, including OnlyFans creators. To get started, go to shoutcart.com and sign up as an influencer. Once you're registered, set your rates and select the platforms you want to offer shoutouts on, such as Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. When OnlyFans creators search for influencers to promote their profiles, they'll find your account if your niche matches their target audience. Shoutcart generally pays per shoutout, and rates vary widely depending on your follower count and engagement. For example, an influencer with around 50,000 followers might charge $50 to $100 per shoutout, while someone with a much larger following could earn $300 or more. If you do 5 shoutouts a week at $100 each, that's $2,000 a month. And remember, Shoutcart is easy to use, and since creators often rebook successful promoters, you can create steady, repeat business. The third site is Instagram itself, a powerful tool for organic promotion if you know how to leverage it correctly. Unlike Shoutcart, where influencers charge for shoutouts, you can use Instagram to promote OnlyFans creators for affiliate earnings without upfront costs. First, sign up as an affiliate with an OnlyFans creator or through an affiliate program that supports OnlyFans links. Create a dedicated Instagram account focusing on content that aligns with the creator's niche, such as lifestyle, fashion, fitness, or art. Use relevant hashtags, post engaging content, and include a link to the creator's OnlyFans profile in your bio. You can also create story highlights and regularly update posts that drive traffic to the OnlyFans page. Affiliate commissions for OnlyFans can vary, but they're generally between 5% and 10% of each subscriber's monthly fee. If you bring in 100 new subscribers paying $10 a month, that's $500 in affiliate commissions every month without ever needing to spend a dime upfront. Next, we have Reddit, a powerful platform for promoting OnlyFans creators if you're strategic about it. Reddit has many niche communities called subreddits where you can promote creators directly to interested audiences. Start by creating a Reddit account and exploring relevant subreddits. For example, if you're promoting a fitness influencer on OnlyFans, look for subreddits dedicated to fitness tips, workouts, or specific fitness-related interests. Be cautious with self-promotion, as some subreddits have strict rules. Instead, engage in genuine conversations and add value before sharing your link. Once you're trusted in these communities, you can occasionally mention the OnlyFans creator or link to a specific post or image that fits the subreddit's theme. Affiliates using Reddit effectively can earn hundreds to thousands per month, especially if they join active communities with high traffic. Consistently driving even 50 to 100 new subscribers a month through Reddit could bring in $1,000 to $2,000, making it a great supplementary income. Our fifth platform is Linktree, a tool that lets you list multiple affiliate links in one place, which is ideal for promoting multiple OnlyFans creators. Start by going to linktree.ee and creating an account. Once you're in, add affiliate links for the OnlyFans creators you're promoting and create a visually appealing page with short descriptions for each link. Linktree is helpful because it's compatible with social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, where you often only have space for one bio link. By linking your Linktree profile in your bio, you can send traffic from any of your posts to multiple creators. Since OnlyFans subscriptions renew monthly, each subscriber can provide recurring income. If you promote 5 creators who each pay $5 per subscriber and you bring in 50 subscribers per creator monthly, that's $1,250 per month in affiliate commissions, almost halfway to that $4,000 goal. Now, if you want to really maximize your earnings, it's crucial to use a combination of these platforms. For example, you could set up gigs on Fiverr to attract OnlyFans creators needing promotion, while using Shoutcart and Instagram to reach potential subscribers. Reddit is a great way to target niche audiences, and Linktree allows you to combine multiple creators in one link for more convenience. By diversifying, you're not only expanding your reach but also creating multiple income streams that can compound over time. The key is to remain consistent, build trust with your followers, and track what works best on each platform. To increase your monthly income, consider tracking which platforms bring in the most subscribers. If you find Reddit or Instagram driving the most traffic, focus on those and look for ways to optimize your posts. You might experiment with different types of content, post at peak times, or engage more actively with followers. Additionally, if a particular OnlyFans creator partnership is going well, reach out to them to negotiate higher affiliate rates, as successful promoters can often receive a larger commission after proving their value. By consistently applying these strategies, reaching that $4,000 monthly income goal is absolutely achievable. And that's it. By using Fiverr, Shoutcart, Instagram, Reddit, and Linktree, you're setting yourself up to build a solid income by promoting OnlyFans creators. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about persistence, engagement, and adapting your strategies based on what works. Take advantage of these platforms' strengths, and you could be well on your way to making $4,000 a month or even more. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone interested in making money online. Let me know in the comments if you'd like more videos on similar opportunities, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy promoting!